What is it called in French? Dog, le chien for masculine, la chienne for feminine. Cat, le chat for masculine, la chatte for feminine. Monkey, le singe for masculine, la guénon for feminine. Tiger, le tigre for masculine, la tigresse for feminine. Leopard, le léopard for masculine, la léoparde for feminine. Zebra, le zèbre for masculine, la zébresse for feminine. Deer, le cerf for masculine, la biche for feminine. Pig, le porc for masculine, la truie for feminine. Camel, le chameau for masculine, la chamelle for feminine. Rabbit, le lapin for masculine, la lapine for feminine. For more French vocabulary, subscribe to C'est la vie. Au revoir!